You ready to go? You ready to ride that bike? You've been practicing. I think you can do it.
I let her go.
Oh.
Hold you hold her, man. And I'll tape.
Yeah. All right, Janessa. You ready to handle it?
Yes.
I think you can do it. You ready? Go.
Yeah.
Stay up. Stay up.
Oh, if you have me.
Stay up. Okay, release. Relax. Put your foot up there. Put your foot up there. I got you. I got to let you go a little bit. Stay up. Stay up. I have to let you go a little bit. Stay up. Put your feet up. Put your foot on the pedal. Come on. You can do it.
Let's join the ground.
Well, stay on the pedal right now. There you go.
Pedal.
I'm going to hold you.
Come, Janessa. I'm sticking.
You got it. Keep going. Pay attention. Pay attention.
Balance.
Balance
Yeah, balance yourself. Balance you still. Stay up there.
Keep paddling. Don't
Keep
stop.
pedaling. Don't stop pedaling. You got it.
Keep going. Keep paddling, girl. Keep paddling. You got to keep paddling.
Keep your feet up there.
Keep paddling.
Janessa. Don't stop. Don't call my name. Put your feet up there. Stay up. Keep your feet up there, Janessa. I got you. Put your feet on the pedal. Feet on the pedal. Turn.
Stay on top like she said. Uh-oh.
She stayed on top. Come on, let's go. Keep going.
I ain't never heard a tire blow out on a bike before.
That's a little tire.
Uh-huh.
Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead.
Look at Miss Speedy.
You trying to look all back. You trying.
I want Mom to do it. I want Mom to do it.
She likes to drive fast, don't she? She drives too fast through the street.
Look, she's trying to.
Hold
up. Hold it up. Hold it up. Get back on.
Caitlin said always use the front, the first, the up, the
Look,
up.
look. You stay here like this, and you go like this. Oh, Mike. That's great.
Dad always use.
Your tire needs air.
Oh, sure does.
Good, bro. You can't ride this. Your tire needs air. Come on. You can't ride. No wonder you can ride. You can't ride like this.
I heard it. Janessa, come on. You got to get some air in your tire.